Today is the day you stop using ineffective, ugly slide design templates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own design style so you can break free of the default template box. And make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to show you how to get a free PowerPoint download so that you can get started. I have some bad news you might not like. Design templates are ugly and you shouldn't use them. There, I said it, but it needed to be said. I'm talking about those gradient geometric shapes and blades of grass and really dark star-themed templates. A lot of people use templates because they think it adds visual interest or it counts as visuals. But they don't. All templates do is cram your slides full of clutter, and that's the worst thing you can do to your audience. Plus, if you're using templates, you're holding yourself back from slide design greatness. I'm here to help you break free of the default template box. I put this video together because I'm guessing you're used to using templates and you don't know where to begin if you're not using one. Here are the core components of a slide design. All you need for your slide design templates is 2 to 4 fonts, a coordinated color palette of 3 to 5 colors, and a style sheet that tells you which fonts and which colors to use when. And don't forget, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free PowerPoint file that is the style sheet I'm going to show you in this video. Here's what you need for your fonts. Some people have said to use only one font per slide or whole presentation, and I strongly disagree with that. Using different fonts is a great way to establish contrast and hierarchy between headings and body text. You shouldn't use a lot of fonts. I recommend that you use 2, but you can go up to 4 if you really need to. My recommendation is that you have one font for the heading, one font for the body text, and the other fonts you can use for things like emphasis or when you want to use a quote or something like that. And my last recommendation for fonts is to use a sans serif typeface. A serif typeface is too hard to see on a big screen. Some examples of a serif typeface include Times New Roman and Georgia, and a sans serif could be Arial or Century Gothic. Here's what you need for your colors. You shouldn't be using those default color options in PowerPoint because they're really saturated and they look a bit outdated. So I recommend that you find your own custom colors. And I recommend that you have 3 colors, but you can go up to 5 colors if you really need to. So that's 1 color for your heading, 1 color for your body, and then a few other colors when you want to emphasize something or use them for data viz, or if your presentation has a lot of different subcategories. So how do you find custom colors? Well, an easy place to start is actually your own photos. Do you have really nice photos of a sunset or when you were out hiking or in nature that you really like and has pretty colors? Well, start with those. Just drag that photo into PowerPoint, add a few shapes, then use the eyedropper tool to change the shapes based on the colors from the photos. You can also Google things like color palettes or data viz color palettes to find collections that other people have posted online. Make sure you take time to find the right colors. You want to make sure that they're easy to see on big screens and that there's enough contrast between them. If you can, test out your colors on a projector before you finalize them. And now you're ready to create your style sheet. Your style sheet is your go-to reference so that you can remember which colors and which fonts to use and when. All you have to do is type out which fonts and colors should be used for your headings, body, and emphasis points. I also like to use circles to show the colors, and just make sure that you include the hex and RGB code for your colors so you always know exactly what the custom color is. If you create your style sheet, then you can use your new design consistently. Plus, if you do it in PowerPoint, then you can just copy and paste the text boxes and use them in your new slides. So you don't need advanced PowerPoint or Keynote skills to create your own design template. All you need is a clean, modern, and consistent design and a style guide to help you remember what to do. And I've created a free style sheet in PowerPoint that you can download and use to create your own custom slide style. The link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to help support this channel, please share it with your friends and colleagues, comment below, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!